In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with PayPal on Shein. So if you already added your product your item on your shopping cart or in your cart on Shein and you want to pay via your PayPal account. So how do you actually do that? So first, you want to go to the upper right corner of the screen. That's where your cart is, and just click on the checkout button at the lower right section. And here, when you scroll down a bit, you'll see the payment methods available on your country. So it differs on different countries, so just keep that in mind. But usually, PayPal is gonna be available on your payment method. So just choose PayPal, and from here, when you press on the PayPal button here, it's actually gonna go to another page where it's gonna ask you to log in into your account and ask permissions to link your PayPal account with Shein. So just enter your email address, and next is gonna ask for your password. Just click on next and just allow everything that you could allow for PayPal to access your Shein, and you should be good and you'll be able to use PayPal as your payment method on Shein. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.